What's up, guys? It's Double Nicks, and welcome to another review of an IPO for reAlpha Tech Corp, which will be trading under ticker symbol AIRE, Alpha India Romeo Echo, on the NASDAQ exchange, and will be IPOing on October 23rd of 2023. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before we begin, I want to remind you guys that if you want access to our private Discord, so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link to join is in the description down below, so be sure to check that out. We pick a lot of bangers, a lot of times, and as a matter of fact, this past week, we called WBUY, and actually made a video about it. It was an IPO play, and we actually called it prior to its 177% run. We also called ICU, which went up 140%. So, ladies and gentlemen, if I had to call out the rest of our runners, we'd be here all day. So, I just gotta say, man, we're just made different. Just made different. The early bird, excuse me. I hiccuped a little bit. The early bird gets the cash. And also, ladies and gentlemen, by the way, we have included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380, maybe more, probably leaning towards 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we use candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, and much more, guys. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what has been working best for us. Now, let's get right into this. So, reAlpha Tech is an early stage company, and their mission is to develop and utilize their artificial intelligence focused technology to stack to basically empower retail investor participation in short-term rental properties. And short-term rentals are basically utilized for various purposes, including things like vacations, relocations, renovations, extended work trips, special events, temporary work assignments, or things like seasonal activities, etc. And they basically intend to build or buy these technologies to democratize access to short-term rental investments. And basically, to support this goal, they're creating a new model for property ownership and real estate investment. Now, their business model is built around acquiring short-term rental properties that meet their investment criteria. And once acquired, they plan to basically renovate these properties to prepare them for rent and list them on short-term rental sites, right? So they also plan on managing the financial performance of these assets, which includes things like evaluating the properties after repair value as well as its profitability. Now, this company was actually founded in the United States in 2021 and operates in the real estate services industry with 17 employees. So now let's turn our attention to the IPO details. So reAlpha Tech is actually offering 4,151,519 shares in its initial public offering. Investors will actually be able to participate in the growth of this company as it expands its operations to innovate in the real estate industry. Now, please note, ladies and gentlemen, we are not stock professionals, nor are we stock advisors or financial planners. This is just a show. Hey! Always do your own due diligence before purchasing anything in the stock market at all whatsoever. Place. Yes. So, that's pretty much my thought process here. Now, I personally might not pre-buy the stock. However, I will be watching the price action on it closely. There's a couple of reasons for this. Number one, it's not a Chinese IPO, which tends to be the flavor of the day in the IPO world. Also, the price range and deal size was not shown and is not available, which is another issue as well, because I'd like to know how much I got to pay to buy a share of whatever it is I'm buying before I buy it, right? So that's not available yet, and that's another issue for me. Again, this is not stock advice. This is just what I'm doing. This is my thought process. These are my opinions. Do your own due diligence. You do you. I do me. Now, that's pretty much it from me, ladies and gentlemen. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And as always, it's Double Nicks. I love you guys. I love you. And I'm out. Peace. Bye-bye.